Hello again, fellow Homo sapiens. Now we have our next spider species. Another Microthena species, the arrow-shaped Orbweaver. This genus gets its name from the Greek word micra, small, and Athena, the goddess Athena. So they're literally small goddesses. I thought it was pretty fascinating. She was very cooperative with me, and I was able to get some really good footage of this spider. What a beautiful spider we have here. Spiders are truly fascinating. Just one more example of Earth's biodiversity. And I'm glad I can share it with you.